Hi, welcome to another tutorial from How Tools. Today we will be ordering our lunch with the GrabFood service. Do take note that we will need the Grab app to order the GrabFood. This is the same app that you use to book your Grab car and other Grab services. To start ordering with GrabFood, click on the GrabFood icon. Next, the Grab app will automatically detect your address. The automatic address detection seems to be working well. In case it's wrong, you may need to customize your address. Click on the address bar to customize your address. You will then receive a list of a nearby address which you can use, or you can customize to the exact GPS location by clicking on the top right corner. The app will download a map where you can select the exact location to be inserted into the map. As you can see, the address of the app changes whenever I change my cursor. So after you have confirmed the address, click on the confirm button. GrabFood will then display the list of restaurants that is near to your address. So there are a lot of choices of restaurant which you can book the GrabFood with. You will also have to take note that you only can order the foods from the restaurants that is listed on GrabFood. The app will also display the distance of the restaurants from your location. We'll also display the delivery fee. Usually the fee starts from 5 ringgit. It will go higher as the restaurants is further away. So we are going to try to book some food from McDonald's. So as you can see, the distance of the McDonald's is listed. I will select the nearest McDonald's to my place. I will then customize the order with McDonald's. You can only order the food that is listed on Grab app. After I've done with the order, I would confirm the delivery details and the details of the order. Next, click on place order to confirm the order. You can click add more details to help the driver find you. Let's say if you're staying in a condo or apartment. On the next window, the total delivery cost will be displayed. So you can only use GrabPay to pay for GrabFood. So you will need a credit card or debit card to add to the GrabFood payment method. I will then use my GrabPay to pay for this GrabFood. As you can see, my GrabPay wallet is not enough, so I would have to top up my GrabWallet. Next, click on top up now to proceed. There are two ways you can top up your GrabWallet. One is with the online banking and another is with your credit card or debit card. For this example, I will be topping up using my credit card. I will top up an amount to let's say 15 ringgit to my GrabPay. So I would select the payment method. This is a pretty standard top up credit card payment. So you need to select in and enter all the informations. You then complete the top-up process by verifying your tag code. Once the top-up is successful, you can proceed to place your order. Your order will then be sent to the nearest driver at the restaurant. The restaurant will also start preparing the food that you ordered. A rider will then be assigned to pick up your order from the restaurant. GrabFood app will provide the rider's information such as plate number, contact number, and his name. The whole GrabFood process should not take more than 30 minutes. Once the rider picks up your food, he will then head to your place. The app will then notify you that your driver is heading to your place. You will also be able to see the live movement of your driver on the map. The ETA of the driver will be displayed. Once the driver is near, you will get a notification. Once you have received the food, you will get the process to rate the driver. So this is how you can conveniently order with a GrabFood service. Hit the subscribe and like button if the tutorial has been informational. Thank you and have a nice day.